Hello, myself Poonam Patel. Today I am going to explain video collage of a system analysis and design, and my team members are Krunal Kumar and Sachin Kumar. Introduction. ABC University plan to launch a mobile application to easier enrollment. The following page illustrated the various prototype proposal concerning the workability and development of the ABC University enrollment mobile application. It's a proposal 12 scheme that cover the functional requirement laid in place by the university shareholder and management. However, to access the service provide the user must log in their respective account for authentication purpose via the store data in the university database. The opening page. The opening page is the pop-up screen that the user interact with the open interaction with the ABC University mobile application. It's a present and easier to use interface with the rich graphic, thus offering attractiveness to the user. As indicated above, the page comprises three strict login options. The login as a student option is intended to via registered student of ABC University to access the application functionalities. It also has a take tour option for purpose of getting a glimpse of what the application offer. Student login page. The above depict the ABC University mobile application student login page, which after authentication, the student can access the functionalities of the application effortlessly. It's a feature to select that need to be filled. The registration number field, which is to be filled with the number given to the student during university admission, and the password that was represent during account generation. It also features a forgot password option which the student can use to reset their forgot password or otherwise retrieve their old one. The page also contains social media link as most skin page of the application process. Staff login page. The staff sign in mock-up scheme that the ABC University workforce interact concerning the mobile application on the above page. It's a feature and authentication method that call for input of their staff employment number issued during employment by the relevant authorities followed by the password affiliated to the same registration number as per the record store in the university database. It further feature a forgot password option individual who forgot their account credential. Student account creation page. The above represented the student account creation page that open upon clicking on the create account option on the landing page. It's require both the student name, the first and second on the top. They require the registration number belonging to the student to offer a communication medium. The page require the input of the student phone number and email address for easier reach the demestination of information. The account creditor the come up with a password that feed highlight from followed by the confirmation of the same. Application tour. The mock-up scheme illustrated the application tour page, intended to give a glimpse of what the ABC University mobile application offered to each user. To proceed to the tour, the page call for filling the user email address for communication and monitoring purpose. The page has an additional create account option that prompts the user to create an official account to have full access.
Next, menu page. The above represent the ABC University mobile application menu interface with the user interact with the successfully logging into their represent account. It the future six key distinct functionality that are made possible by using the application. That include program and courses, all program related functionalities, notification, cover all the announcement and university notification account, cover the financial history of the user, help desk, interact in offering technical support to the application user, timetabling and scheduling, comparison of all timetable related service, library service, over all the library related service, the user choice the functionalities that they wish to interact with. Next, library service page. The library service presents one of the most crucial services offered by the mobile application in the purchase to the offering efficiency. It accompanies an all-inclusive search bar at the top of the page to scan through all university library sources. Uh, the sources launch segment make it possible to borrow material from the library over the application interface, working close with the intercity foundation options that make it easier to borrow from the other university library in the cases where the desired material is not in stock. The link to the repository give the user gateway to the complete online repository belonging to the library, which offer much more complete catalog. Next, programs and courses. The program and courses protect about the the mobile application part where a student get to choose the course and subject they that include the purchase. The total subjects load is indicate in the square section indicate above. After filling in the field, the student click on the submit button, after which the data stored in the university database. Next, timetabling and scheduling. The timetabling page offers a range of the functionalities paid around timetabling and scheduling offer the user the ability to view a timetable related to the courses that they are purchased of otherwise technique on the lectures part. The page presents an user with the report class option which is integrated to the identify early enough places scheduling that the might have a bypass the late out process of a verification. Next, notifications. The notification section of the mobile application responsible for all announcements that the university interacted to the pass either to the student or staff alike. It a future drop down bar including all of the ability notification at a certain time frame. The mark all reading button is a helpful responsibility for the purchase of time saving.
Next, account. The accountant prototype page encompasses all the financial accepted of the user. Mostly the student enroll and the ABC University is the feature the ability to pay fees the mobile application by indexed amount on the pay fees. Isolated above the however the above the encompasses payment card industrial data security standard the cover credit card use of the internet. The page goes ahead to indicate to the total amount the bill to the student on the field the follow along with the total amount. For the sum of the enter the amount credited counseling the login at the student. Next, help desk page. The help desk page is the intended to provide the support for any queries that the user has. It has the drop down field where the user the selected the type of the query they wish have supported for the followed by a description area of the query for the clarity on the response side afterward, and the user click on submit with the standard level department. Next, functional requirement. The following selection priorities how to about the disparate ABC University mobile application prototype has the HU University management requirement the include fees payment. The mobile application make is the possible for the student to pay university fees online, thereby using the finance offering the process and achieving one of the core requirement land out of shareholder of the university. Subject selection. The above the proposed mobile application gives the student the ability to select a course they intend to pursue and the student link to the course intent area. The above is the overall process for the academic department. Library service. The highlight in the above section, the mobile application has made it possible for the student to interact with the ABC University library research and the browsing possibility. Announcement. The prototype has made it easier for the announcement to reach intended audience on time with the notification page. Next, advantage of the application over web. By the adopting the mobile application system, the user benefit from the advantage of the faster processing the time which the reduced overall time required during processor maintain of the exam. Selection of the payment of the fees and the like. The application security feature at the much more highlight compared the web version through the during of the Fluvial modeling. Additionally, the application platform that bring the better graphic computer and web the platform gives the user enjoy the richer graphical interface. By the incomplete of the notification feature, the user can get the real-time update as they stream in from the university management and user the communication process. The another novel advantage is that the mobile application can operate in two states, both the online and offline, offering a plus over the web interface. The above is the result of extensive literary review around the topic as the call for in. Conclusion. The mobile application is a suffer than web service. The mobile application offer faster method of process completion. The prototype offer coverage of the service to be offered. This is a reference. Question answer. Thank you, ma'am.